So the other day we woke up to over a foot of snow. It was the biggest snow we had ever seen here. Trees were falling everywhere from the weight of the snow. Power was out for some people over a week. And this is some footage over it. Cars were abandoned on the side of the road. Even I-95 was shut down for over 12 hours. Well, I'm driving along and look, this guy just ran off the road. Since I went through here earlier, no one's in the truck, but trees just down everywhere. A foot, I think it's like coming, that's like 13 inches this right now, and we're gonna get another 2 to 3. But crazy. I have never seen it this bad out before. Well, just a few moments later, I too found myself on the side of a ditch. It's not every day you get stuck like this.
I know. Good way, buddy.
Wait! It unhooked!
Well, somebody may or may not have gotten stuck. And that somebody may be me. Had to break out the turbo diesel over here to help us out. Here's where I got stuck. I don't know, 100 some yards of trying to get out of this ditch line over here. Eventually I pulled out over there. I'm gonna get over on this side. I'm gonna fall in. We're stuck all down that whole thing. After getting unstuck, we decided to go sledding that evening.
Mom, that's a snowman.
Nice boy.
Mom, that's a snowman.
You want to build a snowman? Okay. Here, let me fix your hat.
Yes, wait. Snowballs.
It's not really snowballing.
Colt, stay here, baby bear.
All right, well, we just walked like 150 yards and it took us like 20 minutes. This is a foot deep of snow. We don't normally get snow like this around here. We're gonna go up this hill. The video does not do this hill justice. It is literally the steepest hill around, and it is much bigger in real life.
I go.
I would have kept going, my feet. Oh my gosh,
Is it that crazy?
that was exhilarating. I think I could have gone another 50 feet, but my foot fell off.
It's so crazy. People are ditching their sleds and just leaving.
You can grab it. All right, Dave. Colt, honestly, it's a little dangerous.
I said they can go down over here. No, Colt, you can't go down this way. Yeah. Hold on. Colt, go down this way over here. Go over here. Go over here and go down so it's not as steep, okay? Over here, further over. Up closer to those trees.
There's a jump there! Come on, JP. Oh my gosh,
Is it that crazy?
that was exhilarating. I think I could have gone another 50 feet, but my foot fell off.
It's so crazy people are ditching their sleds and just leaving.
There's a jump there! Please. You want to back up a little bit? I don't want to hit you. There's no stopping.
Just let her go down on her butt.
Hit that jump! Hit that jump! Woo! Dude, you got like 10 feet vertical.
Doing some sledding here. I might even set out this jump. Put some snow on it. Maybe let Blake hit it. Yes, maybe. You gotta put some snow on it though. Anyways, we'll do this for a little bit and then maybe get the jump out. All right, here we go. What do you think, bud? Gotta be careful. Oh, there's my other princess over here. All right, hop on, get on the pink one, okay, princess? All right. Woohoo! Don't go in then? That's the. All right. I might go in it. Actually, I have to go in it to turn around because we didn't get enough snow that stuck to the road. It was too warm. So the only way to turn around, I have to. Hit the ditch. Skip like 4 feet. All right, mommy's gonna take a couple. All right, it's okay, Charlie. Woohoo! There you go, baby. My sleeping beauty. I'm kidding. She got a. What are you doing, Cody? You making a little snow angel?
Yeah.
Let's see how it looks. Let me see how it looks. There's some formation. All right, so I got the ramp out over here. I'm gonna coat it with some snow. Whoa, hold on. From the deck. Hold on, we got water running down. I'm gonna grab some snow from the deck, cover the ramp with it, and then we're gonna hit it. And we might even break out the kayak. Blake, what do you think? Break out the kayak? All right. All right. Shovel some snow on that. Dump that snow on there, guys. All right, drop that snow. All right, got the jump here. We're gonna try to do a couple passes. It's really hard to hit it. Okay, we got Blake back here on the kayak, and we're gonna see how we do with the four-wheeler here. I did just hit the jump with it. I wasn't filming, but it got pretty good air.
Right there? Yeah.
All right, bro, we're filming.
Let's
Good,
go.
bro?
Yeah.
How fast you wanna go? Okay, we're out here. It's snowing, and and Colt. Here, watch out, big guy. So Colt is out here, and he's making snowballs. Hey, go backwards, Cody. Go backwards. All right, push him back. Push him back. Dude, look at this wheel over here. Oh my gosh. All right, we gotta clean it up. Clean it up. Clean it up.